Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best first aid kits is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items for any vehicle, ensuring you're prepared for unexpected medical emergencies on the road, from minor scrapes to more serious situations, providing peace of mind for you and your passengers during every journey. Number 5. Protect Life First Aid Kit. This comprehensive kit was designed by emergency experts specifically for outdoor use. It's your professional-grade solution for any unexpected situation when you're away from home. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to carry in your backpack or glove box. It's an essential item for any travel, hiking, or survival needs. Crafted with high-quality materials in a modern facility, this kit is built to withstand tough conditions. It's the perfect companion for campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Stocked with all the key emergency supplies you need, this kit is ready for any outdoor activity. Be prepared for minor injuries and unexpected events wherever you go. We are committed to your safety with this portable survival kit. It's designed for outdoor adventures and serves as a reliable companion for travel and emergencies. What we like. This kit is designed by emergency experts specifically for outdoor use. It's compact and portable, making it easy to carry on any adventure. If you are an avid hiker, camper, or traveler who spends a lot of time outdoors, this is the perfect companion to ensure you're prepared for unexpected situations. What people say. Complete kit, supplies for all possibilities. If something would happen, the supplies in this kit would hold you over until you got help. Small package so it doesn't take up much room. The Protect Life First Aid Kit arrived neatly packaged with all the supplies organized inside a sturdy, lightweight case. It includes a wide variety of items that make it useful for home, travel, hiking, or keeping in the car. The compact design makes it easy to store without taking up much space, and the quality of the case and supplies feels reliable for handling small emergencies. This first aid kit is fantastic. It includes everything I need: scissors, a CPR mask, an emergency blanket, tourniquet, and more. The variety of bandages, antiseptic wipes, and sterile eye drops make it super comprehensive. Compact and convenient, it's perfect for home or car. Number 4. Large First Aid Kit for Car, Travel and Home. Whether you're at home, on the road, or exploring the great outdoors, this kit is your essential companion. Be ready to handle emergencies with confidence, ensuring safety for yourself and your loved ones. Unlike standard kits, this one includes professional-grade supplies chosen by experts. It's designed to tackle not just minor cuts but also severe wounds, sprains, burns, and more, making it a true lifesaver. No stitches needed. It features emergency laceration closures that treat cuts swiftly and painlessly. This offers a quick, effective solution for wound management. Time is critical in emergencies. Its supplies are organized by function into color-coded compartments for immediate access. Find what you need in a flash, no fumbling required. Designed for versatility, it features mounting options and mall compatibility. Attach it to your backpack, vehicle, or wall to keep supplies within easy reach. Dive into life's adventures with peace of mind, knowing you're equipped for any mishap. This comprehensive kit ensures you're prepared for the worst, helping you and your family recover quickly. What we like. This kit offers professional-grade supplies and includes innovative wound closure strips, meaning no stitches are needed for many injuries. It's organized, color-coded compartments allow for quick access to what you need. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that can handle more serious injuries and offers advanced wound care solutions, this is an excellent choice for your vehicle or home. What people say. The bag is divided into clearly labeled mesh pockets, wound dressings, eye pads, gloves, minor wounds, etc. Everything is easy to see and grab, a critical feature when every second counts. The kit appears to have been designed by someone who actually knew what they were doing, and not just someone trying to get the item count increased so they could claim more parts. This feels like quality, the outer case itself as well as the items inside. All of the compartments are labeled. It comes with a ton of gear and quality gear. Seriously surprised at how much is packed into this thing. Number 3. Small First Aid Kit. Whether you're at home, on the road, or exploring the great outdoors, this kit is your essential companion. Be ready to handle emergencies with confidence, ensuring safety for yourself and your loved ones. Unlike standard kits, this one includes professional-grade supplies chosen by experts. It's designed to tackle not just minor cuts but also severe wounds, making it a true lifesaver in critical situations. No stitches needed. It features emergency laceration closures that treat cuts swiftly and painlessly. This offers a quick, effective solution for wound management, like having a tiny surgeon in your pocket. Time is critical in emergencies. Its supplies are organized by function into color-coded compartments for immediate access. Find what you need in a flash, no fumbling required. Designed for versatility, this kit features mounting options and mall compatibility. Attach it to your backpack, vehicle, or wall to keep emergency supplies within easy reach. Dive into life's adventures with peace of mind, knowing you're equipped for any mishap. This comprehensive kit ensures you're prepared for the worst, helping you and your family recover quickly. What we like. This kit provides a complete preparedness system with professional-grade supplies and innovative wound closure technology. It is designed for emergency-ready organization, allowing for immediate access to the right supplies. If you need a compact yet comprehensive kit for your car or travel that includes advanced wound care, this option is ideal for quick and effective treatment. What people say. The kit is well organized and easy to navigate, with clearly labeled compartments for different types of supplies. Includes a comprehensive range of essential items, from bandages and gauze to antiseptic wipes and pain relievers. The compact and durable case makes it convenient to store in a vehicle without taking up too much space. Number 2. YIDERBO 275 PCS Car First Aid Kit. Introducing the YIDERBO 275 PCS First Aid Kit, your reliable companion for any adventure. Its high-quality EVA material is water-resistant, shockproof, and wear-resistant, making it perfect for travel, hiking, camping, and more. This versatile kit is packed with essential equipment to handle various injuries. Be confident that you're fully prepared for accidents or emergencies, whether at home or on the go. Inside, you'll find everything you need, from instant ice packs and burn dressings to bandages and gauze pads. It's a complete survival kit for basic necessities. Our emergency blanket is designed to provide warmth and protection in any weather. It helps prevent hypothermia and shock by retaining body heat, while also keeping you dry from rain, snow, and moisture. We are committed to providing high-quality products and excellent service. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help. What we like. This kit features a durable, water-resistant, and shockproof EVA bag, ensuring your supplies are protected. It contains a wide selection of essential items for various injuries, including an emergency blanket for warmth. If you prioritize a robust and protective carrying case for your first aid supplies and need a versatile kit for your car or outdoor activities, this is a great option. What people say. It's lightweight, but sturdy. I love that it has a hard case which protects all the supplies inside. The mesh pockets help keep everything organized, and yet there's still room to add adhesive bandages, or whatever else you need more of. It's compact and easily fits in the back storage compartment of my hybrid SUV. One feature I especially appreciate is the inclusion of instant ice packs. They're incredibly handy for bumps, sprains, or just unexpected mishaps. A well-stocked, reliable kit that gives me peace of mind whenever we're on the go. Number 1. Comprehensive Premium 430-piece Emergency First Aid Kit. Be prepared for any situation with this comprehensive first aid kit. It's fully stocked with 430 professional medical supplies to help you handle the unexpected. Our kit features an organized, compartmentalized design with clear labels and a step-by-step manual. This ensures you can quickly find what you need, even in a crisis, without panicking. Crafted from premium, tear-resistant, and waterproof material, this bag is built to last. It also features reflective strips for visibility in the dark, making it ideal for outdoor use. Easily attach it to your backpack or car with its versatile mounting system. It's perfect for your home, car, camping trips, or any outdoor adventure. This versatile guardian is suitable for any location, from homes and offices to classrooms. It makes an ideal and thoughtful gift for anyone who enjoys outdoor activities or simply wants to be prepared. What we like. This kit boasts an impressive 430 professional medical supplies and features an intelligent, clearly labeled compartmentalized design for easy access. The durable bag is also equipped with reflective strips for visibility. If you are looking for the most comprehensive kit with a focus on organized retrieval and safety features for your home, business, or vehicle, this is the ultimate preparedness solution. What people say. The contents are extensive in number. It's compact, complete. Everything I could ask for in a first aid kit. A good collection of supplies and equipment in a compact package. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.